Hello, my name is Josh Morrison, an investment analyst here at True Potential. Today I'm going to discuss two key stories that dominated headlines last week. The primary refers to an apparent breakdown in trade relations between China and the USA, whilst the second follows up on a story we covered several weeks ago, this being Japan's economic performance following the abdication of the former emperor in favour of his son. Firstly, with reference to the trade war, a deadline passed on Friday for the two countries to reach a trade agreement. As a result, the US raised tariffs on $200 billion or £153 billion worth of Chinese imported goods, from 10% to 25%. Meanwhile, in Japan, the new era is off to a positive start, with recent Composite Purchasing Managers Index data, or PMIs, solidifying this view. Data released earlier this week indicated that Japan's manufacturing PMI rose to 50.2 in April from March's figure of 49.2, placing it modestly back within expansionary territory. The breakdown in negotiations between the US and China resulted in global markets declining this past week. Whilst in the short term this trend may continue, economists have stipulated that it is in the interest of both parties to come to a resolution, as any long to medium term fallout will negatively impact both economies equally. In Japan, the rise in the manufacturing PMI exceeded analysts' expectations, who had in fact forecast a further decline. Overall, the outlook for manufacturers appears to be improving, with business confidence rising to a 5-month high also. The Chinese have said they will take necessary countermeasures following the US tariff increases. They added that further negotiations will take place, following 2 days of what they called honest and constructive talks this past week. Meanwhile, President Trump has said he is in no rush to reach a trade agreement. However, this could be part of Trump's strongman rhetoric to put pressure on a deal. As for what happens next with Japan, through an improvement in Japan's manufacturing sector, this has helped drive an uptick in the country's composite PMI. These act as an integral barometer to the market performance, and a resurgence in these metrics will be a positive sign to investors of Japan's future attractiveness as we progress through this new era. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to ensure you don't miss out on any future weekly updates. Thank you for watching.